Hey guys, today let us take a look with Kenyan new arrival detachable gaming soundbar model N138. Length is about 40 cm with really elegant and unique design. And it can also be removed to be used as a 2-pro gaming speaker, such as this one. By the way, this one on my hand is the most high-hits version. It can match with many gaming products, have headphone jack and micro jack. Really easy to use, just put the 3.5mm audio jack to the port and USB to get the power. Then you can see the light.
X mode.
I like this lighting mode, it looks like nebula. It feels like that I'm under the sky while listening to music. So romantic, don't you think so? Of course, you can change the LED mode by touch this icon. This one is the Ambilight mode and then touch. This is the breathing mode. Touch one more time, fix RGB red, green, blue. Touch one more time, light off. Let us go ahead and test the sound effect. Touch this icon to change to the rhythm mode. Then, rotate the encoder rod to adjust the volume. Volume up. Turn to the rhythm mode automatically. Then, rotate to the left side. Volume down. Touch this encoder knob to exchange to Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth connected. Equipped with advanced sound drive unit with full-range 2.0 channel stereo core, offer you clear and rich stereo sound. You can hear the sound is absolutely solid. If you are a music or game crazy guy, you must like it. Bye!